Good morning, everyone. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in today's session, proration element, and then if time permits, I'll give the brief overview on retrospective elements. Okay, brief overview on retrospective element, but I don't think we cannot complete these two. These two are big concepts. At least we can complete the theory and practical of proration and theory of retropay. Okay, theory of retropay. We will at least focus on these two. So retropay and retropay, two times it got duplicated here. Both are same. Here retropay and retropay element creation, retropay, everything both are same. Okay. Payroll flow overview and with components and customization we will see next week, because these two are really big concepts. It is more big compared to calculate quick pay and then calculate standard payroll, because we are running on top of that. Whatever the proration and retropay, we will run on top of calculate quick pay and then standard payroll. So that's why it will take longer time to complete the concepts. So by next week, each and every concept I complete in payroll. So 44 concepts are there. On top of that, I'll add some of the concepts in special classes, but standard is with 44. Okay, I'll complete all by next week. Okay, so quickly we will go to what is today's concept? Proration, right? Retro and proration methods. So what is proration? So have you heard about this term? Suppose when you join in a company, not everybody will join on first of the month, right? Today, what is today's date?
15th.
15th. So not everybody will join on May 1st, right? Somebody
Yes,
will
sir.
join on May 1st, somebody will join on 2nd, somebody will join on 4th, 3rd. So 3rd and 4th is holidays. Leave about the holidays. Somebody will join on 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. We cannot control them. It's they will ask, but some companies what they will do, they will hire mostly on Monday or Thursday, 5th or 8th, 12th or 15th, 19th or 22nd, so that they can give the introduction to bulk of people. They can give introduction to bulk of people. So mostly they either they will hire on Monday or they will hire on Thursday. Okay. So let us take somebody has joined on month of May 1st and somebody has joined month of May 15th today. Okay. So how I have to calculate the payroll? So for the person who joined on May 1st, I will give the entire salary for him, because the total month salary we have to pay, right?
Yes, sir.
Month 31 days he worked. So we have to pay 31 days salary. But person who joined today, which is 15th, so do we have to pay the total 31 days salary?
No.
No. Why?
He joined in the middle of the month.
Yeah, he joined in the middle of the month, or he joined somewhere in the 6th or 28th or 23rd, 14th or 16th, whatever the date it is, but he has not worked for 31 days.
Yes.
So from when he joined, from there only I have to pay the salary. That is called as proration. Means for the first month, we have to calculate number of days he worked for the company. And from the next month onwards, he will work for monthly rate, means daily rate in the month.
Yes, sir.
So for the first month, we cannot pay him the suppose if let us take he joined on 26th of May.
For
4 days I cannot pay the complete month salary, right?
Yes, sir.
That is loss for the company. So this is called as proration, paying a salary to the person based on number of days he joined, number of days he worked for the company in the first month. In the next month onwards, by default he will come. He will come from 1st to 31st, right? Okay, whatever that leaves he take, we will calculate and we will deduct using absence card, absence calculation card, we will deduct. That is second concept. So proration means when he join in the company, based on the joining date, we will pay the salary. That is called as proration. Okay.
Understood, sir.
So that is called as proration. So for today, we will complete proration. And if time permits, I will take the concept of retro pay. Okay. So everybody understood the proration concept?
Yes, sir.
Shivani, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Swarup, have you understood? Okay. Okay. Okay, now what I have to do? In order to create proration, first of all, payroll is completely depend upon the elements. Okay, always remember, payroll is completely depend upon the elements. Elements are the building blocks to run the payroll. Okay, first of all, I have to create an element which is the proration element. Proration means we have to, while running the payroll, we need to have a proper element that captures the proration details. Okay, let us go to setup and maintenance. Elements, basic payroll. Okay. Always remember, change the setup from compensation to workforce deployment because we are running in deployment model, deployment offering. Click on elements. Okay. Select the scope. We are selecting in the US LDG, right?
Yes, sir.
We are always running in US LDG. Okay. Elements. Click this link. Plus symbol. So what is the primary classification of the elements? So primary classification is salary.
Standard earnings.
Standard earnings. Okay. Secondary classification, regular. Category, standard, continue. Okay, what is the name of the element? Let us take Oracle US Private Limited basic salary element. Okay, I'm creating for Oracle US Private Limited basic salary element. From when I have to create 1/1/1951. So remember the standard date. 1951 is our standard date. Reporting name, description. So input currency US dollar. Should every person automatically eligible? No.
No.
Okay, only when I add that one only by through element entries, then only this element will get added. Okay, or by if I attach salary basis, then it will added. Either I have to attach via salary basis or via element entries. What is the earliest entry date for the element? First standard earning date. Last standard earning date. What is the latest entry date for the element? Okay. At which employment level should this element be attached? Assignment level. Does this element recur each payroll period or it is required explicitly? It's a recurring element. So salary rate, it's a recurring element. Process this element only once in payroll period. Yes. Can a person can have more than one entry of the payroll period? No. Okay. Process and pay separately. Process and pay with other earnings only. Okay. We know this one, how to create a basic element, right? So everybody know how to create a basic salary element, right? Click on next. What is the calculation rule? Flat amount. What is the default periodicity of the element?
Calendar month.
Calendar month. Periodicity conversion rule. So this is important. standard rate daily. Okay, standard rate daily, periodicity conversion rule. How do you want to want the work units to be reported? At this point of time, we are working per month rate, not hours, none. So this is the main agenda for today. Is this element subject to proration? This is our agenda. Tomorrow is this element subject to retroactive changes? Tomorrow we will see. So is this element subject to proration? What we have to say?
Yes.
Yes, very good. This element is subject to proration. So then, for when it is subject to proration, there are some rules would be there. What is the group? By default, Oracle will provide two groups, system-defined groups. When we go to event groups, we can see that one. One is proration group and another one is retroactive group. So we can see here. We can customize and we can create our own, or we can use system default entry changes for proration. This is Oracle given. Entry changes for proration is a proration group which is given by Oracle by default. Proration conversion rule. Proration rate conversion rule. Standard rate daily. Okay. And proration units daily. Okay. Proration units daily. So at this point of time, I don't want to make retroactive changes and make you confused. Is this element subject to retroactive? No. Generally for payroll is a retroactive element, but I am not making it as because you can adjust payroll also. Means last month payroll also you can adjust. At this point of time, I don't want to discuss about retroactive. So I'm making straightforward it as no. Okay. It's not a retroactive element. Now click on next. We have defined the proration, right? Is this element subject to proration? Yes. Proration group. Entry changes for proration. Proration conversion rule. Standard rate
Standard.
daily. Proration units daily. Okay. Click on submit button and wait for 3 minutes. While doing the element creation at this point of time, you should not do any other activity. Just sit calm and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, element got created, right? So it's we have to do element eligibility very carefully, otherwise we will land in problems. Okay, first click on element eligibility carefully, and then Click on actions, create element eligibility. Until element eligibility completes and element creation gets completed, we should be very careful. Okay, we should not do with half mind. Otherwise, it will go to error state. And again, it will take another 20 minutes to create an element. Oracle India, Oracle US Private Limited, basic salary element eligibility. Okay. Why I have left all the fields blank here means by default, this is eligible for all the legal employers, for all the departments, for all the jobs, for all the grids. If you leave blank means it's a blank check kind of thing. You can use this element for any location, any legal employer, any position, any department. If you select some value means it is restricted to only for the particular legal employer. And select all payrolls eligible. Okay, select all payrolls eligible and then click on submit button. Always carefully create the element eligibility. Always leave the fields as blank. Select all payrolls eligible and then click on submit button. Careful. Creation of element eligibility, you should do very careful. Otherwise, it will go to error state. Okay, we are done with element eligibility, right? So once element eligibility got created, come here, click on the link. So element eligibility got created, right? Element eligibility got created. So next, what I have to do? Go to the amount. Okay, go to the amount. Here, correct. Give some default value to here. Let us take $5,000. Okay. Click on submit. You can give minimum, maximum, and warning errors also. That is up to you. And now come to here. Proration. Standard rate daily. Proration conversion rule. Okay. So we have to verify proration conversion rule, standard rate daily. Default is standard rate daily. Okay. And then we can okay. So just prorations, just verify whatever the value we have given standard rate daily is coming properly or not. Proration unit default value is daily. Okay. Now go back here. Now then what I have to do? In order to create salary basis, I have create basic salary element, right?
Sir.
Then what I have to do? Go back to compensation management. Search for salary basis. I have create salary basis for Oracle Private Limited, right? Base pay. So before creating salary basis, what is the default value I have to create? Vamsi, what is the foundation step to create salary basis? Vamsi, are you able to understand the concept?
Yes, sir, understood. But
So what is the foundation step or prerequisite step to create salary basis? So creation of a basic element only, right?
yes, we created it basically.
That's what. So Without creating a salary basic element, we cannot create a salary basis.
Salary basis. Okay.
I'll tell you the link between these two. Okay, click on create. So what is the name of this one? Oracle
Okay.
US monthly salary basis, right? Monthly salary basis. What is the legislative data group?
Yes.
USLDG. Okay. What is the salary basis type? Determined by user. Frequency,
Monthly.
monthly. Okay. So here, what is the link between this creation of salary element, basic salary element, and salary basis is whatever the basic element you have created in this particular USLDG, those basic elements will get populated here. Okay, understood, right? Whatever
sir.
the basic elements you created in this LDG, those basic elements will get populated here. These are the basic elements only. Now, what is the elements I have created?
Oracle US Private Limited.
Oracle US
Yes.
Private Limited basic salary element, right?
Element. Yes, sir.
So I am able to search it here. In order to create salary basis, what is the foundation?
Element creation.
Element creation, basic element creation is the foundation step to create the salary basis. Okay, please remember this one. How to create salary basis is going to salary basis task in compensation. But before going to that one, you have to create a basic salary element in the global payroll. And salary ranges also you can give here based upon the grade, rate, and rounding rule. But at this point of time, you don't have to worry on salary ranges. Select input value as amount. Select input value as amount and go to salary ranges. You want to go and give any grade rates and all, it's not required at this point of time. So grade rates, rounding rules, we can give the ranges for this salary basis. Okay. Now click on save and close. Okay. Now verify that one. You are able to create a salary basis, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. We are complete. What are the steps you have completed? What are the steps we have completed for proration as of now?
We have created element and
Okay,
we have associated to salary basis.
very good. Guys, are you practicing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyhow, I'll follow you. I'll follow you in the medium and I'll verify what is your status and all. See, actually, by this time, some other people who are on the trainers in the Amirpet or somewhere else, they would have completed the entire syllabus also. Just within 3 months or hardly 2.5 months, they are completing. And still, I don't understand how they can able to complete. Then you can understand what they are telling. Maybe I am going much slower, or they are going super fast, or they are not covering the concepts. I don't know, but that is the actual scenario. 4 months completed almost, but we are in the mid of payroll. That- Yes. How to do the setup? So how many people for my course of content and my training to your friends? So how do you set up how to set up for payroll proration and execute payroll proration? So what is the step one we have done?
We have created basic element.
In which offering we have to create?
Workforce deployment.
What is the step two?
Create salary basis.
In which offering we have to do?
Compensation management.
Very good. Okay. We have to create salary basis in the compensation management. This is very critical because salary basis you cannot do from the workforce deployment. Salary basis, this will be there only in workforce compensation offering. Okay. Creating salary basis. We have done two steps, right? Please be attentive in the class. How many steps we have completed so far?
2 steps, sir.
So why I'm insisting is you have to create these two in two different offerings, not in the single offering. Okay. For this running the payroll, you should have compensation offering also. Okay. So even though I'm going slow, but I'm going steady. That I know. Even though I'm going slow, I'm going steady because I want by end of 6 months every student should get the job. There is no second thought about that. So this is the Oracle US monthly salary basic element, right? Salary basis.
Basis.
monthly element. So we have created, we'll take the screenshot. Apply. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have created salary basis. We have created the basic element. And now we have to hire an employee and attach the salary basis, right? Go to before hiring that one. What is the prerequisite step we have to do? Before hiring an employee, what is the prerequisite step we have to do?
Bypass approvals is enabled or not.
Very good. You have always cross-check whether the approvals are enabled or not. Otherwise, it's a waste of time, right?
Yes, sir.
Go to approval rules. Search for hire. See. So it is approvals are enabled. Okay. Now I have verified hiring employees bypassed. Approvals are bypassed. Now I'll do hire an employee. I'll hire 2 employees. Okay. I'll hire 2 employees and I'll show the difference of proration. My client groups, new person. So hire an employee. Okay. I'll hire with 1st of May. Okay. I'll hire with 1st of May and the legal employer is US1 legal entity, right? Let us take some person name as what is some. Just tell me some person name. I'm very bad at remembering people names. Juan Shandier. mentioned here is the person name. Preferred pronouns professor is doctorate. Okay, and then preferred name gender male, date of birth 1/1/1964. Okay, and now click on Manhattan, New York. Okay. US 1 business unit. Okay. Payroll should be active. Active payroll eligible. You know this one, right? Assignment status as we have discussed. Active and payroll eligible.
Payroll,
Remember that
sir.
one. Okay. And then select the job. Or if suppose job as admin. Administrator. Okay. And then select some grade. Go to advanced and just select. If you don't know anything, does not equal to XYZ. Just give this one. It will populate all the values does not equal to XYZ. Okay, here admin 3 is the grade. Okay, department same advanced does not equal to XYZ. Accounting. Okay, department is accounting and location. So by default, this if you give department, it is selecting location as Chicago. Let it be Chicago, no problem. Okay, but when you run the payroll, you should remember to give the location. When you run the payroll, what is the default step? You have to give location, you have to give date of birth. Two fields are mandatory is you have to give date of birth
and location.
You have to give date of birth and you have to give location. Without, even though those two fields are not mandatory, but we cannot run the payroll. We can hire an employee, but we can't run the payroll. Okay, remember these 2 points. One is date of birth and second one is
Location.
location. Why these two fields are required is for date of birth is for tax and location is also for tax. Calculating the taxes, so we need this date of birth and location. Okay. So if you want to give all these details, you can give regular, full-time, working as manager, no hourly, full-time salary. Okay. Now, the most important thing is we need to give tax reporting unit. US 1 legal entity. US 1 legal entity is a tax reporting unit. And now click on payroll, monthly payroll. Okay, we are running monthly payroll for this employee, right? Click on next. Salary basis. So we have created our own salary basis, right? What is the name of the salary basis? Oracle
US Private Limited.
Oracle US monthly salary basis. Okay. Let us take, we are giving salary as $1,20,000. Okay, sorry, it's monthly, right?
Monthly.
So monthly at 1,20,000 means $10,000.
$10,000.
Okay, $10,000. Okay. Now click on Click on next. Click on submit. So what is the hire date of this employee?
1 May 1, sir.
Hire date is May 1st,
2025.
2025. What is the name of the employee? One.
Shander.
Spelling is correct or not? Okay. So to understand the proration, we have to compare, then only we can understand, right? We have to compare two people by hiring with two different dates with the same salary. Means basic salary and salary basis, right? Monthly salary and salary basis should be the same. Then only we can compare and understand what is proration. Okay. 7548. Person number 7548. Okay. So 7548 Shandier has been created. The location has been created. User person type has been created. Job assignment status. Okay, assignment status. Okay. So all the details has been created. Go inside Shandier. Okay. Inside the Shandier, go to payroll relationships. Go to payroll relationships. So in the payroll relationship, verify that one. Payroll has been properly tagged, right?
Sir.
Okay. Now I'll quickly create another user. Okay, Newell Hoger. So we are hiring with current date is today's date, May 15th, right? Hire reason is hire to fill vacant position. Legal employer, US1 legal entity. And what is his name?
Newell Hoger.
Newell Hoger. Always remember to give the date of birth. Okay, please. Always remember to give the date of birth. National identifier. Social security number. Click on next. Address. Next line 1. Virginia 22030. Firefox. Virginia. Okay. Now click on next. When you are selecting department, automatically the location is also coming as Chicago. Okay. Regular, full-time, salaried. Okay. Select these values. And then now coming to payroll. US1 legal entity, monthly payroll. Okay. What is the start date? May 15th. So we will give the same salary amount. So there should not be any difference. Then only we can understand what is the proration. Okay. What is the monthly amount we have to give for this employee as well?
10,000.
$10,000. Then only we can understand proration. We are giving same salary, $1,20,000 per annum. Okay. Click on next. Okay. Click on submit button. Okay. You have created the user. You have given a salary basis. You have given amount as well. And now we want to search the employee. Newell has been created, right? What is the person number? Everything got created, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first person and now second person. Okay. Second person, what is his name? Second person is Newell Hoger. Okay. Second person Newell Hoger. And what is the hire date?
15 May.
15th May. Hire date is May 15th, 2025. Okay. And what is his person number?
7549.
7549. Okay. So we are done with this creation of two elements, two employees.
Two
Okay, now we will see how proration works based upon the hire date. Okay. Click on close. Before running this salary, there is one important step is there. I'll show that one. Please remember this one. Okay. Go to my client groups, show more, and then click on person results. Click on person results. This is most important thing. Sometimes it depend upon the setup. When you hire an employee, automatically retroactive process will automatically get triggered. We need to know any other payroll has been processed and that retroactive process is already attached to this one. For that reason, we'll get errors. Okay. So what is the first person name? Van Shendier. Or just give employee ID 754H. Van Shendier. Just to clear all the search. Clear all the search. See here, automatically somebody has done payroll for July month. July month means what? Future dated salary, future dated for somebody has done the salary. Somebody has done payroll, right? July 2025, somebody has run payroll. And if you run payroll for May, what system will throw error? Okay, somebody has run payroll future dated. You just what you call roll back that one and run the payroll. Means we have to run payroll in a sequential manner. Remember this one. You cannot run payroll. Okay, you already somebody has run payroll for July. You cannot run payroll for May. Any future data transaction should be rolled back. Please remember that one. Okay. Or if something problem happens, past dated is not completed, you cannot run the current dated transaction also. Let us take if April month salary has not been processed properly and got failed, you cannot run May month payroll. So that is the reason payroll is very sensitive. Go to particular person results, search the person and verify any payroll exists. And if you want to run for May month, it is June, July, August is there. What you have to do?
Roll back.
You have to do?
Roll back.
Roll back. Okay, if there is a payroll for April, you can leave it. Because that's a past dated payroll, right?
Yes, sir.
You can leave that one. But any future dated payrolls are there, you have to do roll back. Okay. For Van Shendier, I have done. Now for which one I have to do? 7549. 7549. Newell Hoger. Same thing. For him also it will come. Clear all the. It was automatically added. Somebody has created at the setup. Click on roll back. Now I have rolled back the future dated transactions and verify for this person there are no payroll as of now. Okay. There are no payrolls as of now. Now go to payroll. So everybody understood the important step, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So now go to payroll. Calculate or simplified quick pay or calculate quick pay. Anything you can same. You can do anything. Calculate quick pay or simplified quick pay, both are same. Search the person from person management. What is the number? 7548.
48.
7548. Click on search. Select the person. and then select element entries. See here, automatically it was tagged, right? Oracle US Payroll Private Limited basic element tagged, right? Automatically it was tagged. US taxation tagged. You have to verify these two details before running the payroll. Okay. You have to verify the basic taxation element has been attached and the basic salary element has been attached. Okay. Before running the payroll. Please remember this one. Come to element interest and verify that for the current day, for the date which you are running, this element should be run. Means from when you are running the payroll, from May 1st, right? From May 1st, it is there. Okay. First verify the element entries. Now what I have to do? Click on more information. Come to payroll. Calculate. Okay, for which month we are running payroll?
May.
May, for the month of May.
May.
So it was selected, right?
Yes, sir.
May month selected. So process date is 31st of May. It will process on 31st of May. Okay. And what are the elements that got selected automatically?
Basic element,
Basic element and
taxation, US taxation.
taxation element. Okay. It was selected automatically. Okay. Now click on submit button. Okay. So calculate quick pay got passed, right?
Sir.
It got completed. Okay. So statement of earnings. Okay. We can verify statement of earnings here, or just we can click on submit button and verify the statement of earnings here. Okay. Verify statement of earnings. SOE means statement of earnings. Okay. Remember that one. So what is the processed earning date? 5/31. That's the last date of the month, right? 5/31/2025. They will get the amount processed. So what is? We'll go by balance name. Balance was classified in 3 types: gross pay, employee tax reductions, and net pay. In the gross pay, what is the amount? Oracle US Private Limited. So we have given 10,000. Then why he got 10,191? Can anybody explain? So general month means it will calculate only 30 days. Okay. Some months will have 30 days. Let us take April. We're having 30 days only,
30
right?
days. Yes, sir.
And then March 31st. And again, February means 28 days. January 31st. So month means, calendar month means, as per Oracle, it will take only 30 days. And we have worked for 31 days, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it will calculate the 1 day amount also. So total 365 days, it will calculate divided by your salary, annual salary divided by 365 days. And if the particular month have 31 days, it will process accordingly. Okay, for this person, the total amount has received. Why? Why this person has received total amount? He joined on which date?
May 1st.
May 1st, right?
Yes, sir.
He joined on May 1st. That is the reason he got his full amount salary. He worked for the full month and he got the full amount salary. Okay. Van Schneider. Okay, Van Schneider, he joined on May 1st and he got the full amount salary. Okay, now we will run calculate quick pay for another employee. What is the employee?
Newell Hogan.
7549. 7549. Okay. So what is the prerequisite step to before running the payroll? Calculate quick pay.
Element
Go to
entries.
element entries and verifying these two elements are properly tagged for the person or not, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these two elements are properly tagged for the element. Same salary, $1,20,000. Okay, but what is the effective start date here?
10th.
15th of this month, means current today. Now I want to run the payroll. Okay, calculate quick pay. Okay, so same period, month of May 2025, right? Month of May 2025. Same amount, same salary. Okay, same salary, there is nothing difference is there. Now I want to click on submit button. Okay, calculate quick pay got passed, right?
So
Now what I have to do?
statement of earning.
Okay, just click on submit button. Okay, now submit button also verify statement of earnings also passed. Now click on verify view statement of earnings. Okay, how much amount he got?
5,589.
$5,589 means from which date he started working?
15th May.
May 15th.
From May 15th to May 31st, right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, we will compare. So for this person, how much amount he got?
10,191.
$10,000, right?
Yes, sir.
For this person, how much amount he got?
$5,000. 5,500.
What is the difference here?
He worked for full month and he worked in
Middle of
joined in middle of the month.
So we have used the same element, same salary basis, but we have done the proration. We have assigned that element in a proration basis and forced that element to calculate based on proration, means it will calculate from which date the employee has joined. Based on accordingly he will be paid. Okay, so this is called proration. So I hope everybody understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So this is one of the important concepts in payroll. Definite question. What is meant by proration? What is meant by retroactive? What is the processes in standard payroll? What is calculate quick pay? what is simplified quick pay. You have to do each and every practice. Depend upon the number of days he worked, we will pay that one. And let's take there is some other elements like car allowance or some other elements like which are not proration. They will pay full amount. Like bonus element is there. They want to pay full amount. Even though he joined in between of the, let us take joining bonus. Joining bonus is a bonus element, right?
Sir.
So he will get full amount. Even though he joined in the mid of the month, he will get full amount, right? Because it's as per the communication between employer and employee, full amount should be given after joining the company. So you have to process the joining element. Even though he joined in the mid of the month, full amount. That is not a proration element. Okay. So I hope you understand what is proration. And we have taken a real-time 2 scenarios with 2 examples, 2 persons. One person hired on May 1st, another person hired on May 15th. Exactly 15 days difference. We have seen the difference in between the amounts they got credited into their salary account as well. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. Thanks for your time and have a great day. I hope you understood the concept. Do you have any doubts?
No, sir. Understood.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot and have a great day. We will see tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.